How to check in online on Southwest Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can check in online on Southwest Airlines. So let's go. The first step, of course, is to log in into your Southwest Airlines account, just like I have done here. And then having done that, you'll be brought to the home page. So on this page, all you need to do is to scroll down until you see a box displaying some options such as flights, vacations, hotel, car, check-in. So once you see this, just click on that. So after clicking on check-in, below in the box, you can see some field such as confirmation number, first name, last name. Now your confirmation number is number that you received in your email after you've booked a flight. All right, so after booking a flight, a confirmation number will be sent to your email. And so all we need to do is to enter in the confirmation number in here. So for example, it could just be something like this or lesser or more. This is just an example. And then after entering the confirmation number, next step would be to enter in your first and your last name, and then you click on check in, and then just like that, you will be able to check in on your accounts using Southwest Airlines website. So this is it. It's so simple. This is basically how you can check in online with Southwest Airlines. So go ahead and try this out. Thanks for watching and have a good day.